ago. Welcome to the Tijon Parfumerie on the French Caribbean island of St. Martin, where the weather is always warm and sunny. My name is John Berglund, and I'm the master perfumer, and I'd like to share with you a few thoughts on perfumes and what to wear during the upcoming winter season. So come on in and let's talk. The winter season is obviously for most people marked by colder temperature and stronger winds. We wear more clothing and the days are shorter and the nights are longer. In the summer, heat increases the impact of odors, so we wear lighter fragrances. In winter, we need the heavier type fragrances. It's also a really good idea for women to start experimenting with some of the men's fragrances because in fact, women wear 1/3 of all men's fragrances. Common oils used for winter fragrances are patchouli and vetiver, sandalwood, and other woodsy type scents, orange blossom, lavender, geranium, and other heavier florals. Tijon trending perfumes for women include Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium, Donna Karan Cashmere Mist. For men, Dolce & Gabbana The One, and Versace Perfume. At Tijon, those are beautiful mass-produced perfumes. But if you want something exclusively more for you, more niche, look at a smaller perfume house such as Tijon. My favorite Tijon perfumes for the winter are, for women, La Savane, Chalet, Tiamore. For unisex, Amber Musk, Lavender Fig, and Orange Patchouli. For men, X.2 and SXM. We also have gift samplers, so you can try different scents that come in to see what fits you best. And if you want all in, if you want something exclusive to yourself only, visit Tijon Virtual Lab, where you can create, very simply answer 15 questions and create your own exclusive fragrance. We'll take it from there. Enjoy the winter season, stay warm, and bundle up.